Good morning, student. I, Kailash Sonal from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. Welcome in my physics class. Okay, here we discuss about the refraction of light. We continuously discuss about the refraction our previous classes, but here we discussing about the key points. First is image formation of a convex lens, lens formula, magnification and power of lens. Okay, so first is image formation. Suppose this one is convex lens and that is the principal axis, and the center point of lens is called, that is the optical center. Suppose this one is f1 point and f2 point. This is f2 f1, and second one is f2 and 2 f2. If object beyond on 2f1. If object beyond on 2f1. First of all, if incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, okay, if incident ray parallel to the principal axis, after the reflection it is passes through the focus point, okay, it is passes through the focus point. And second one is, if a ray passes through on the optical center, after the reflection it is passes through same direction, okay, it passes in the same direction, and when both of the line intersect each other, here it is being an image, okay, here is the image, that is the A dash B dash. If object is A and B, the image is being A dash B dash. Here we clearly see that is object is inverted, okay, here image is inverted than the object. So position of image, that is between f and 2f, between f and 2f. Nature of image, it is, what is the nature? That is the inverted, real and inverted, that clear? Third one is position, nature and size, that is the size, okay, that size of the image is small or diminished, that is a diminished, okay. First one is position, that is the f and 2f, nature real and inverted, and size is diminished size, okay. So this is the image formation by a convex lens. That one is object at infinity, then image is being focus point at f2. Object beyond f2f, image is being f1 and f2, so f2 and 2f2. Third one is, if object is lie on the 2f, then image also making on the 2f and same size. Clearly, if object lie between 2f and f, then image pushed the back side, that is the beyond of 2f2. Okay. If object lie at f, then image is being at the infinity, Okay. Now, if object beyond f and 2f, object f and 2f between lie, if object lie between f and 2f, then image is being in the same direction. Of the object. That means its image is virtual. Okay, virtual and erect. Okay, that's one. And what is the size? That is size being enlarged. Okay, that is size being enlarged. Clearly, these all are the object. Okay, student. After making image formation by the convex lens, second one is the lens formula. What is the lens formula? The length formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon. Clearly, that is the 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. And what are the V, U and F here? What are the V is the distance between optical center O and image. Okay, optical center O and the image. Clearly, what is the U? That is also distance between optical center and object. Optical center and object. What is F? That is the focal length. That is the focal length. V is distance between object, optical center and image. U is the distance between optical center O and the object. And third one is F is equal to focal length. Clearly, this is the length formula. Clearly, here we discuss about the some numericals on this formula. But third one is what is the magnification? We know that magnification M equals to height of image divided by height of object. Okay, height of image divided by height of object. Height of image, that is hi, height of object, that is the h. Clearly, that is the m equal to hi upon h2, and it is also equal to v by u. Clearly, that is the also equal to v by u. Here we proved already, already proved that is the h of I upon h of O is equal to v by u. But in the mirror, it is also equal to minus v by u. But in the lens formula, according to lens, here the magnification is the plus v by u. Clearly, here that is the plus v by u. Students, here a question on the lens formula. Suppose in a question U, that's means distance between object and optical center. That means distance of object from a lens is given to you, that is the 15 centimeter. Clearly, that is the 15 centimeter. If focal length of 10 centimeter, focal length of this lens, a given lens is a focal length. Focal length is 10 centimeter. And types of lens. Types of lens is concave. Concave lens. Clearly, first of all, we want to find what is V. Means if object is placed 15 centimeter from the lens of lens, focal length is 10 centimeter, then where is image is being. Okay, and if height of object is equal to 5 centimeter, then what is the height of image? That is what is the height of image? That's why in this question we discuss all the values. That's the formulas we have discussed. Okay, that is U is given, F is given, V we want to find. If h of object, height of object is also given, but height of image we want to find. Okay, the types of lens is concave lens. Okay, according to types of concave lens, according to sign convention, the sign convention. Okay, according to sign convention, here V equal to minus 15 centimeters. Okay, because you always taking negative because our incident ray always comes from in the from the object. So distance taken from optical center, because we measured a distance from optical center, this means opposite direction of the incident ray, so it will be taken negative. F is also concave lens is also negative. F is also negative. Clearly, it means F equals to minus 10 centimeter. Then according to mirror formula, what is my 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. Because we want to find V equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon V. And 1 upon V minus 10 plus 1 upon minus 15. Clearly, that's mean if we taking negative, if common, it's mean 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. Clear? Okay. If we solve 1 upon V equal to minus 10 into 15, that's mean 15 plus 10. Now simply cross multiply. No other taking LCM and other ones values. At 15 plus 10, that is the 25, and divided by 15 plus 10, that is the 150. If we simplify, that's 15, 25 plus the 25 and 25, 6 150. It means 1 upon V equal to minus 1 upon 6, that will be equal to also 6 centimeter. Means image is being 6 centimeter far from the lens. Okay, image is being seen 6 centimeter far from the lens. Is that clear? Okay, we have to find already 6 centimeter. That means U already here, V already here. What we will find? We want to find out the height of image. Okay. What is the M? M equals to height of image divided by height of object is equal to V by. Okay, height of image upon height of object equals to V by. Height of image we want to find. Height of object is already given equal to 5 cm. And what is the V? V equal to minus 6 and U equal to already minus 15 cm. Minus and minus will cancel out. Then height of image equal to 6 upon 50 into 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 and 3 2 ja. Height of image is also equal to 2 centimeter. Is also equal to 2 centimeter. That means the height of image equal to 2 centimeter. It means what's the same? Image is small. Image is smaller than the object. Clearly, the image is smaller than the object. Okay, and height of image is equal to 2 centimeter. Here, but height of image, here image is being at the down of the principal axis, so it will be negative. That means height of image equal to minus 2 centimeter. This means the magnification is negative. Clearly, the image is being inverted. Okay, imaged and inverted. Clearly. Okay, student, last one is power of lens. Power of lens. Okay, what is the power of lens? That is it is the according to mathematically formula, power is equal to 1 upon f. It means it is equal to reciprocal of the focal length. Clearly, it means it is a reciprocal of the focal length. It's called power. Clear? If f in meter, but if f is given in centimeter, that is f in centimeter. So 100 upon f. Clear? But according to theoretical form definition, what is the power? It means it is the strength to making an image of an object images formed, this is called power of. How many clearly? How is this clear image being of the object is called the power of lens. Clearly, and mathematical formula P is equal to 1 upon f centimeter and P equals to 100 upon f centimeter. That's one is meter and this one is centimeter. And unit of power. Unit of power equal to diopter. Unit of power equal to diopter, and we can easily represent the D. Suppose a lens f equal to 25 centimeter. The focal length equal to 25 centimeter. Then what is the power? 25 centimeter in plus. It means we clearly know that it is a convex lens. Okay, f in positive, that means it is a convex lens. If f is negative, then it is a concave lens. Then what is the power? That is a 25 upon 100 upon 25. 4 diopter. Okay, so this one is a small numerical on the power. So what is the power? That is 1 upon f in meter, 100 upon f in centimeter. If f is given, then what is the power? That is 4 diopter. Okay, student. Thank you.